This time we're gonna install an 18,000 BTU mini split air conditioner. We're making the holes in the wall, passing through the cables, installing the disconnect. We're gonna hang the indoor unit or evaporator. Now we hang the outdoor unit, condenser unit, making the electrical connections, vacuum. There you go, the mechanical connections, the line set cover to make it look nicer. There you go. Now we're gonna install the GFCI outdoor water resistant plug, electrical plug, making the hole on the wall using an inside